surprise for you today. Look, it's my grandma Zola. You remember when we made her apple crisp? Well, today we're going to make her apple cake with orange glaze. Hola a todos, soy Ann y les tengo una sorpresa. Mira, es mi abuela Zola. Recuerden que hicimos su pastel de manzana crujiente. Hoy vamos a hacer su delicioso pastel de manzana con un glaseado de naranja. Alright everyone, so the ingredients for today's wonderful apple cake that Grandma Zola makes is flour, nuts. I'm using just these mixed nuts, it's what I have. She loves walnuts. You guys choose your favorite. But of course, if you're allergic to any kind of nut, then we'll leave that out. Eggs. We're going to use salt, baking powder, cinnamon, vanilla. She used almond extract, but if you guys don't have it and you don't want to buy it, you don't need to. It's not going to make that big a difference. It'll still taste amazing. We're going to use powdered sugar, regular sugar, oranges, and apples. So once you get all that ready, it's a really simple recipe and it tastes so yummy. You guys are going to love it. So I'll see you back in just a few minutes. Hi everyone. So now that you've got your ingredients, we are ready to start. Just a couple of things we're going to do to prep first before we actually start making the cake. First thing we're going to do is we're going to peel our apples, get them good and naked, and we're going to slice them up, chop them really fine, a cup and a half. So I just want to give you an idea how small I'm going to do it, and then we'll meet back again when we're ready. And so we're going to just slice them, dice them really tiny. Make sure you got your cup and a half. Use whatever apples you like, but don't make it too tart. Make it kind of a sweet apple. So you're just going to make them really nice and fine like that, okay? Chop them up nice and small, like that. So after you get your cup and a half of apples done, go ahead and blend, chop up really fine your nuts, whichever one you prefer. Like I said, Grandma Zola loved walnuts, but I have this today, so I'm using a variety. About a half a cup will probably give you your 3/4 cup of chopped finely nuts. That's what we want, is 3/4 cup. So you're blending them up. Just keep doing it till it's nice and fine. I'm not going to turn it on now, you guys, because you know how noisy that will be. So I'm going to check back with you. Cup and a half of apples chopped, and your 3/4 cup of peanuts finely chopped, whatever nut you want. See you back in just a minute, guys. All right, everyone. So did you get your apples chopped, diced nice, and your nuts, if you're going to use them, ready to go? See how fine that is? Nice and chopped. So before we get started, go ahead and turn your oven on 325 to bake. And you'll want to grease your, I used butter. Put butter on the bottom of my pan. This recipe is for 8-inch baking dish. So if you're going to do a bigger one, then double the ingredients, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to start with 2 eggs. We're going to use the whole egg this time. It's so yummy, you guys. I can't wait to tell you. Smell it cooking. The apples smell so good. 2 eggs, cup of sugar. We're going to beat that first, okay? 2 eggs, cup of sugar. It's really easy, you guys. All right. Easy peasy so far. Let's see. I'm going to add 3/4 cup of flour. I'm going to put that in there. We're going to do a teaspoon of the baking powder, Now we're just going to put everything in together. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, about right there. Now we're going to do 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon and the vanilla and the almond extract if you chose it. 1/2 teaspoon. Yes, if you like a different flavor, put rum in it instead of almond. This is Grandma Zola's recipe, but you guys do you. And 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. I love vanilla when baking sweets. Some chocolate chip cookies. Okay, we'll go ahead and mix this up a little bit. Are you surprised how easy this is? So easy, right? Of course, I probably should have chosen a bigger bowl, but I didn't. Just call me Messy Marvin. It gets everywhere. Okay. Looking good, right guys? Okay, now fold in your nuts, 3/4 cup, and your apples. Okay, gonna mix it just a little bit more. And then, told you I was messy. There we go. I'm being good and messy. What would Grandma Zola tell me? She would say, use a bigger bowl. All right, everyone. We are ready. So we're going to go ahead and take this mixture and we'll put it in our cooking dish. Just like that. And it's going to cook for 30 minutes. So once you guys get yours in the oven, 325 for 30 minutes, come back and we're going to start that orange glaze. And when we get it mixed up, we'll put it in the fridge for a few minutes while the cake finishes cooking. Okay? See you back. All right, everyone. While our yummy apple cake is cooking, we're going to go ahead and get that orange glaze ready. So wash your orange really good. One nice sized orange, wash it really nice. We're going to go ahead and use the peel. We're going to make orange zest. So go ahead and do your whole orange. That smells so good. So nice and fresh. I'm going to grate this up. And we're going to cut our orange in half. And we're going to do squeeze it till we have a cup of orange juice. Fresh from the orange. And then we're going to mix it with our powdered sugar, and that's going to be our glaze. Isn't that crazy easy, you guys? But I want to go ahead and put it in the fridge while the cake's cooking. And then once the cake cools down just a little bit, so it's just warm but not hot, 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 we'll go ahead and put our glaze on and eat it. So yummy. Okay. Go ahead and get all your glaze and your zest, orange zest in your bowl. The orange off for a minute. Alright guys, blocking your view. How rude of me. there's our zest. And go ahead and cut the orange in half. Let's see, I'm going to get a fourth a cup. I'm using half a cup to measure because I'm trying not to be completely messy all day long. So, how's your orange doing? You getting close to having your fourth a cup? I gotta grab my other orange half. Almost there. Smells so good, right? You know what? I love this orange glaze that we're doing right now, you guys, on sugar cookies. If you make sugar cookies, put this glaze on it too. So yummy. My favorite. Okay. Go ahead and add that. Fourth a cup of orange juice, 1 orange zest, 1.5 cups of powdered sugar, okay? 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. Blend it up, and we'll put it in the fridge. Alright everyone, it's been 30 minutes for me. This smells amazing. Does your whole house smell like yummy apple goodness? So it's still super hot, just took it out. So I want to let it cool down just a little bit so it's just a warm to the touch but not really hot. And then we're going to put our yummy orange glaze on top. So come back in just a minute. Alright everyone, we are done with this amazing apple cake at Grandma Zola's. I hope you love it as much as I do. So I'm going to take our orange glaze that we made and just drizzle it on top. Drizzle how much you want. It's so yummy, you guys. Thank you for spending the day with me, making Grandma Zola's wonderful apple desserts. And please remember to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye. Gracias mis amigos por pasar tiempo conmigo hoy haciendo el pastel de manzana de mi abuela Zola. Espero que lo disfruten. Cuídense todos.